Hello, myself Astay Agnik from third year BH. Today I am going to present my proposal for tribal museum. So here I studied about the origin of tribes in Maharashtra, that how they originated, how tribes formed and their art. One of the most common of it is Warli art. There are no records how they origin basically really, but they are traced from 10th century. With the tribes and the art, we can identify the shapes, colors, materials, etc. they used for their lifestyle, living, shelters, etc. Here in Maharashtra, we can see tribes living in forest, and there is a rhythmic pattern created in their lifestyle and in their art. So I did online case studies where every museum has its own essence and the types of display they provide. In Tribal Museum Bhopal, vernacular architecture is used. Hence, that element is used where tribal people live. In Adivasi Museum Ahmedabad, a small village is created inside a room, which gives the effect of their lifestyle. In Pune Tribal Museum, formal displays are done. Like when we go inside, the objects are placed inside glass caskets and placed in front of us, displayed in front of us. Then in Nehru Sanitary Tribal Museum, Hyderabad, there are sculptures placed in 1:1 scale. So it gives that museum its liveliness. Site analysis. Site is located in Palghar besides the highway. The climate here is hot and humid. Vegetation found here is coconut, tree, neem, mango, etc. The context around site are some factories, farmlands, and settlements. Some hotels are seen near highway. As we are building the museum, tourism scores need to be checked. Tourists visit here mostly in winter season. So here are some site images. Also, the wind direction can be find out where in which month and from where the wind direction is most for orientation of the building. As we are building beside the highway, DCPR rules need to be followed. So first we found the approx number of people per day visiting the museum, and then according to that we searched about the rules, which how much distance should be left from the highway, and from that distance how much distance more should offset should be given, etc. Here is the roof plan. So as we enter the site, there are two security checks for vehicles. There is parking and then the structure. Here in roof plan we can see different shades of grey, where which implies that the light grey part is the most heighted part of the roof and dark grey part is the lowest part of the roof. So as the color darkens, the height of the roof keeps on decreasing. Also, courtyards are provided in a rhythmic pattern. As we enter the structure, ticketing counter plus front office is provided there. Then the lobby where ticket checking can be done, and there is an entrance for both galleries from the lobby. So one can visit gallery 1 and then gallery 2, and also they can directly visit to gallery 2 also. The gallery 1 contains the sculptures of the tribes and other installations. Other equipments are kept for display. From here, gallery 2 can be directly accessed, and gallery 1 can also be exited from the back door. The gallery 2 is totally dedicated to Warli painting. So if someone just wants to visit the Warli painting gallery, they can directly go there. As we exit from galleries, both exits, both galleries have exits, and they have souvenir shops when they exit. As we come out of the galleries, the first thing we see is the auditorium, entrances for the auditorium. In auditorium, green room and toilets are provided. Further, we can see virtual reality rooms, workshops, and classrooms. Also, further, interactive place is provided. The canteen is placed in the center, so it is accessible from both sides. An accommodation for students, chief guests, etc. is provided with parking, which is connected through a small road running along the inside edge of the site. Skylights are provided for light, courtyards for ventilations. Also, pivoted windows are provided for ventilation as they are easy to open and easy to close. And number of windows can be provided. In interactive space, there is a form created of steps which acts as a sitting area and also has some tables and chairs. People can interact there, and there is attached library to it. Here in sections, we can see the profile of the roof, which creates the height difference between the spaces underneath. Here in elevation, we can see the roof profile as free flowing, hence creating it rhythmic. These are the 3D views of plants with vegetations and amphitheater at the end. In this slide, we can see the amphitheater and the type of shape of roof which goes with the rhythmic concept.